Hi, my name's Sophie Wilson and welcome to my day in the life of studying as an animal management student at US campus with Coleg Wedi. I start my mornings by getting ready. I then go feed my chickens and walk the dog, and then I start my short commute onto Usk. Usk is such a stunning campus with a wonderful atmosphere. It has a rural feel, and for me, it was close enough for an easy commute while feeling very different to a sixth form environment. I then grab a coffee and head off to the library for lectures and revision. Personally, the main driving force for me choosing Usk College was my love and passion for animals. I have a love of learning about animal-related topics, so this paired with the practical element, which I really enjoy, has been the perfect choice for me.